Hi friends, it's Smriti. Welcome to your Pilates nest. Today we've got a standing Pilates for strength and balance. I'm so excited you're here. Today we'll strengthen and balance your body and mind. Today's Empower routine is all standing. If you have challenging moments during today's workout, know that that's okay. Just do the best you can with where you're at today and know that that is enough. You are making progress. I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's begin. Let's start standing with our legs hip distance apart, feet rooting down onto the ground, and arms reaching long side by side. Take a full breath in, filling up the body with fresh air. Exhale, letting go of any tension or stress off your body. Full breath in, filling up the lungs with fresh air and energy. Exhale, calming the mind, calming the muscles and the joints of your body. One more time, full breath in, anchoring through your feet, lengthening through your spine up towards the sky. And then coming back to your natural rhythm of breath and set your intention for yourself here today. Perhaps it's just to build strength, improve your balance, whatever it may be for you today. Circle the shoulders up, back, around, and down. Lift up, back, around, and down. And now let's lift the arms up, slightly keeping the elbows bent, softening the shoulders, taking any tension off before we work on these balancing movements, strengthening movement around and in. And can you make your arms a little bit wider and back? Now, if you need to keep it smaller or smaller range of motion, that's perfectly fine. You choose, you get to decide which version you get to do. Stretch it all the way back, hands come down to the side for feet stretches. So since we're doing balancing work, we're doing feet stretches to get you all set up. From here, lift all 10 toes off the ground, separate them wide apart, as wide as you can, and then relax your feet. Lift up. If you need to look down, go ahead and do that. Try to create as much space as you can between the toes, and then relax. And lift up, and if you need to separate your fingers, do that as well. Sometimes that helps, you never know. And lower back down. From here, we're gonna go ahead and bring the hands to the front for single leg stretch standing. Lift one knee up towards the hip or towards the hand in the front and lower down. So balancing in one leg as you lift the other and you switch and lift. Try to keep your upper body stable as much as you can as you march in this place and lift. Hips stay side by side as you lift and lower the leg. Bring your leg as high up as you can while keeping the hips side by side. You can be down here as well too. That's still good. And now we're adding a spine twist. So one leg lifts up and we're gonna rotate towards that bent knee and lower and twist. So you're spiraling the waistline all the way up through the crown. Your hips still stay facing forward. Exhale out all the air as you twist and rotate. Twist and center. Twist and center. This is a really good posture exercise too, to wring out any tension. Unhunch your posture, all good things. And switch, one more each way. And last one, lower the hands down. And turn over sideways, or you can keep facing the mat. Legs are hip distance apart, and bring one leg back behind you. Front knee is bent, back leg is straight, arms reach forward for standing double leg stretch. Circle the arms, bring that back leg into the front, bending, tapping at the front, and reach both the arms and the leg away. Circle the arms and pull it in. Inhale, reach out. Exhale, circle it in. For more of a challenge, lift the knee up, find that balance point as you hold the leg, and go back into that lunge position and in. Inhale, press out. Exhale to come in. Find a version that works you best while challenging you, building strength and balance. You can do hard things. I believe in you. If you lose your balance a little bit, just shake it off and get back on the mat and in. You can do it. Out and exhale in. Stand tall on that top position, shoulders gliding down your back, reaching up with energy, and exhale out with confidence. Up and exhale in. Reach out. Perhaps the first time you start with just tapping the foot at the bottom, and the second time you do it, you lift that knee up. And lift. Last 3, 2, last 1, up and balance. Hold the knee or keep that foot down onto the ground. Stand tall, take a full breath in, full breath out. Relax, let go of any tension on the shoulders. And lower the legs down and circle the arms back. Around and in, back, around and in. Let's go to the other side. Opposite leg goes back, front knee is bent, hips are squared. Make sure that front knee is right over the ankle, setting up yourself for that alignment and success. Bring both arms forward into a diagonal. Circle the hands, bend that bottom knee and tap here, or you come up here and balance. Inhale, exhale up. Reach out with energy, exhale with confidence. Inhale, pressure comes in, lifts you up, helps you balance, out and in. You're doing amazing. Stick with me. You got this. I believe in you. Keep going. You can do hard things. You can do this. Remember, you can always modify the pace or the range of motion you go for. Listen to your body and honor your body as you build that strength and balance. Thank you for showing up today. So proud of you. Last 3, 2, last 1, and up and balance. In your version, hold it for 3, 2, 1. Lower the legs and circle the arms back. Around and in. Last 1. Around and in. Walk over to the middle of the mat and face me. Legs go wide and apart. And bend the knees. Knees are externally rotate. The kneecaps are over the ankles. So check in your alignment. Bring the shoulders over the hips. From here, you have the option to lift the heels up for more of a challenge. And arms reach forward into diagonal. From here, straighten the legs as you bring the palms back. The palms reach towards each other as the scapulas glide together. And arms go back up as you squat down. And lift. And lower. Keep the heels slightly elevated while keeping that alignment. And up and down. This is definitely a balance challenge while we're building strength in your legs and your glutes and your arms. And your core is working hard to keep you balanced and stable, right? So look down to see if your knees are tracking in. Mine were, so I'm going to go ahead and let the heels stay down because I feel like that's going to help me the most to keep the heels down so I can get those knees to face outward towards my midfoot. Mine want to come in. I don't know about you. That's what mine is wanting to do today. So look as much as you need. And once you got the groove, just look straight forward towards me. Smile forward, light towards me, and in and up. Lower and lift. These big arm movements definitely gets the arm and the upper body all warmed up. Also really good for your posture. You're doing amazing. Stick with me. You got this. Last 2. Last 1. And up. Lower the hands down. Heel toe, your legs back together. Legs are hip distance apart for chest expansion. Bring both hands forward, right out of the shoulders. Find your balance point. Catch your breath if you lost it like I did. Lower the hands down as you lift the heels up slightly. Press the palms back behind you and lower your heels down. Inhale, lift up. Option to add a head turn. Challenging that balance. And inhale, lift up. Turn, turn, center, and return. Press into the big toes to help you balance. Face your kneecaps towards me as you turn, turn. And grow tall up towards the ceiling. Press back with those palms. Almost fell forward. Did you too? And press back. Turn, turn, center, and return. Hands come back to your side. Turn your body side to side, shaking off any tension. And let your body just relax with ease and comfort. And hands come back to your side. Legs are hip distance apart. For a roll down, nod the chin to chest. Roll the spine down. Articulating the spine down, stretching the body up and over. You can bend your knees here widely if you want. any way that feels comfortable, and stack your spine back up, bone by bone by bone, standing tall and strong. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a full breath in, feeling strength and balance in your body. And as you exhale, feeling confident and centered, and open your eyes. Congratulations, you did it. You completed today's standing Pilates for your strength and balance. You're doing amazing. Let me know how today's practice went for you. I'm sending you high five to your living room, to your bedroom, wherever you're practicing today. And for more Pilates and wellness goodies, check out the Pilates Nest, simple, sustainable, and inclusive solution to restore strength and freedom and calm back to your body, and encouraging mindset coaching and more.